variable expressions and equations. Does x satisfy the equation? Well, what does it mean to satisfy an equation? Satisfy. It means, does it work? Does it make it equal? Parentheses. I feel like I've written this before. I heart parentheses. I will use parentheses all over the place. When I take a variable out, I will replace it with parentheses and then put a number in the parentheses. So replace variables with parentheses. Okay, there we go. Let's do some problems. Is m equals 14 a solution to this equation? Well, here's the little equation. I know it's an equation because of the equal sign. I'm going to get rid of that m, put in some parentheses, and then put a 14 in the parentheses and see if it works. Here's my method. Negative 9 equals negative 42 over, goodbye m, hello parentheses, putting a 14 here. Does that work? Does 14 go into 42 9 times? Or does 14 go into negative 42 negative 9 times? I don't think so. I could do some math on that, but there's no way that's going to work, so that's a no. That's the game. Let's try again. Is t equals 8 a solution to this equation? Well, negative 11 minus 7. Goodbye t. Hello parentheses. Into the parentheses, I will put 8. I will now do this math and see if it works. There are the lights. Negative 11 minus 56 equals negative 192. Do I really have to go any further with this? Because I don't think so. I do not think that works. That is a no. It's not even close. Is q equals 11 a solution to this equation? Well, I already have some parentheses, but I'll put more parentheses in. 11 minus more parentheses. Goodbye q. Hello parentheses. We'll put some 11 in there. 11 minus 11, that's 0. 0 squared is 0. This one does seem to work. Right? 0 squared equals 0. Works for me. Yes, it does. And here we go. Is n equals 3 a solution to this equation? 36 equals 9 times the square root of n. What am I going to put there? Parentheses. Plus 13. And in those parentheses, I will put a 3. And now I will simplify this thing down and see if it works. What's the square root of 16? It's 4. And 9 times 4 is 36. And yes, that does work. Magnificent! Whoa, okay. Hey, I'll see you in class. Bye.